Theory of wormholes. The theory was created in 1935 by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen. A wormhole is basically a portal which could be used for transportation at great speeds through space. Now, say you want to take a trip from Massachusetts to California. That is 47 hours driving time, which is 3,064 miles in a car, and would cost $395 one way, and double that for a round trip. Taking a plane will be 5 hours and 40 minutes, and will cost $602 for a round trip. A wormhole could take almost no time, be free, and way quicker.
So we have our diagram, our helpful little diagram of what a wormhole theoretically looks like. So scientists have proposed that it is composed of 3 parts. Mouth A, the throat, which is where everything goes through, and mouth B. So each component has its own duties. Mouth A takes in everything, the throat transports it, and mouth B spits it all out, basically. Now, so point A is Massachusetts. So we want to go from Massachusetts to point B, which is California. So to do that, you would theoretically, again, this is a theory, step into the wormhole and you would arrive at your destination in, again, theoretically, no time flat. So we as humans, being the year 2015, we do not have enough technology developed to know what happens on the inside of a wormhole and the process of going through a wormhole. So me and Jermarr, we think that you would step into the wormhole and you would be shot out, or not shot out, but placed on the other end of the wormhole. Really interesting.
Wormholes are said to be 10 to the negative 33rd centimeters big. But as the universe expands, so can wormholes. Now, 10 to the 33rd centimeters big would be really small, or for standard notation so you can see how small it is, that's how small it would be. Now, when we say, as the universe expands, so could wormholes, we're saying that if we had the technology to expand the universe, we could recreate the Big Bang, making our wormhole big enough so humans could go through. Now, we don't have the technology to do that, but maybe in a couple hundred years, we will.
Now, to recreate the Big Bang, we would need a particle accelerator. Now, this isn't on our board, but because it has nothing to do, or little to do with wormholes. But a particle accelerator would accelerate particles to the point where they smash into each other, either creating a black hole, or theoretically a wormhole, or if we do it right, it could even recreate the Big Bang. Now, us as scientists, we aren't prepared for this, so we don't know what could happen. So I, as a scientist, if I was a scientist, I wouldn't be going for the particle accelerator just yet, but that's just me. So now we talk about the properties. Could a wormhole be stable enough to carry anything, any form of weight? The answer is sadly no. Well, a naturally occurring wormhole, at least. A naturally occurring wormhole could collapse very easily. Imagine taking a piece of paper and putting a bowling ball on top of it. That's the equivalent of a wormhole, basically. But a sub-theory, a theory inside of the theory, states that if us humans could add antimatter/black matter, which are types of matter found in the universe that are very hard to find because they're matter and matter is very small. They could technically be added, quote-unquote, to the wormhole to strengthen it, make it, be longer, make its last time be longer, make it stay open for a longer time so we can travel through it without it collapsing. Another type of matter we could add is exotic matter. Exotic matter is another type of wormhole strengthener, quote unquote. It is made of negative energy density and a large negative pressure, which can supposedly strengthen a wormhole. Now, the year is 2015. Could we use wormholes in this year, in this day and age? I think not. Still, it's a theory, and it has yet to be proven. But I like to think that it is, that it's possible. So we ask you, as humans, do you believe in wormholes?